magandang araw sa lahat. Halina't silipin natin ang faculty organization ng De La Salle University with the theme, Together We Thrive, Together We Rise. At ngayong araw ay gaganapin natin ng General Assembly, a Thanksgiving celebration. Dito lang yan sa H Forestville Resort sa Amadeo, Cavite. Sa unang entrada, sasalubungin tayo ni Dr. John Casitsid at ni Ate G at makikita din ang excited na pagbati ni Dr. Manuel Rehis. Tsaka pala, ang General Assembly na ito ay hindi lamang simpleng pagpupulong. Ito ay isang simbolo ng strong partnership and shared vision. Isang matibay na ugnayan at magkaalib na pangarap. Sa unang bahagi, binigyan po ang halaga ng socialization. Siyempre, kainan, kwentuhan, at tawanan. Ilan lamang ito sa mga basic elements na meron ng isang health organization. Sinimulan namin ang programa sa isang panalangin na pinangunahan ni Sir Jesus.
Out of the house and sat beside the sea. Such great crowds gathered around him that he got into a boat and sat there, while the whole crowd stood on the beach. He told them many things in parables, saying, "Listen, a sower went out to sow, and as he sowed, some seeds fell on a path, and the birds came and ate them up. Other seeds fell on the rocky ground, where they did not have much soil, and they sprang up quickly, since they had no depth of soil. But when the sun rose, they were scorched, and since they had no root, they withered away. Other seeds fell among thorns, and thorns grew up and choked them. Other seeds fell on the good soil and brought forth grain. Invitation for us to work in His vineyard.
Para sa ating presidente, go!
1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Meow, meow, meow. Alright.
Thank you, Mama Yaps, at saka Sir Marlo, no? So, sa ating lahat, isang mabiyayang araw, no? So, palakpakan natin ang ating bisita ng ating sponsor. So, siya ang ating presidente ngayon ng Polga. Nag-donate sila ng isang leksyon sa atin. Diba? So, palakpakan natin, no? Sino Ma'am G. Tapos, may sorpresa yung ating butihing mayor sa atin mamaya. Kaya, kauna-unahang outing ng faculty organization. At habang tinitingnan ko po kayo kanina, alam nyo, I'm so impressed, no? Dumadami tayo na magiging mas malapit tayo sa isa't isa at maghahat ng ating mga ninanais sa ating organization. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. Una nga, very good ang performance ng ating presidente. Bigyan pansin ni Dr. Frank Villanueva ang halaga ng pagkakaisa, sharing of ideas, at paano mas makakatulong sa buong university. Napaka-importante talaga na sumama sa ganitong gathering. Kasi, dito na pangpalakas ang bonding natin between the faculty and administration. Salamat sa supportive na administrators na nakadalo sa ating pagtitipon. So, the open communication, trust, and collaboration ang sign ng harmonious relationship na kailangan natin i-cherish. Remember, hindi tayo magkabilang side. We are one team. Every suggestion, every concern na maririnig ngayon ay step forward para sa mas maayos na sistema. Sabi nga sa ating tema, Together We Thrive, Together We Rise. Hanggang dito na lang muna.